What it do? I had to redo this video because it hadn't made it, and then I didn't want to post it and have people thinking that I was talking about them, since we were already live the last couple of days, and this wasn't even targeted towards anybody, so I didn't think it would go like that. But anyway, my turn. Hold on. Well, load is on hold. This load is good. Maybe I should have went there, but we've been waiting there like an hour, so it really doesn't matter. My load ain't on hold because I came in here yesterday to get it, and they pulled some BS. But anyway, Snyder's gonna have to go around and leave. I'm pretty much the only truck that's going back there right now to Doke. Ain't no other truck went back there. 2 trucks just did a U-turn and left out, and Snyder's gonna leave out. He's going back there. So anyway, back to what I was talking about outside this craziness, going back from yesterday all the way till today. I've noticed something. All of a sudden, everybody got some kind of secret sauce, secret formula on how to buy trucks and stuff like that, and credit. And it's always the same ones, and I know it's a couple of them. It's got some other, like, unreal crap going on. Some of these people out here doing advertisements can't even count beans. They couldn't trade apples for oranges or anything. But they out here about to set some of y'all up down the road on how to buy a truck. They're gonna have you giving them money to go finance a truck. If any of y'all do that stupid shit, you deserve to get got. If you pay somebody to get you to help you get financing for a truck, you deserve to get got. The bottom line is, get your money up. Have anywhere from 10 to 50% down, I guess, depending on your credit and the bank you use. Don't let an individual take your social security number. And I'm going to tell you this because I told y'all this a long time ago. Do not let somebody shotgun your credit. Shotgun, what is that? You know, the shotgun, you blast it off, the pellets go flying all over the place. That's what happens with your credit. They shotgun it. They send it all over the place. You're getting hit by this bank, that bank, that bank, that bank. You go get a truck. Now, I hear y'all talking about the cash trucks and shit. You know, cash truck could be $50,000 cash, $100,000 cash. See, y'all don't even explain that shit right. So everybody just, you know, but I know what y'all saying. You little 8, 10, 12, 15, $20,000 trucks, I get it. I bought one too, but I financed the truck to build the credit up. See? Find the right bank that'll do it for you, you know, credit union, whatever, you know. Some of these places is high risk. You gotta make sure they're gonna report it, you know, because some of these places won't report it. You get your shit up. Now, those out looking for a truck like, well, mine's a little too old now. Like this, you know, a 2000, let's say a 2021 and newer. You know, some of these banks these banks are financing. There's other banks that finance older trucks, but they're gonna beat you upside the head. Down payment and the monthly payment and the interest rate. Well, you know, all you gotta do, again, get your money right. Get your credit 650 and up. I mean, some places are doing 600s. Bad credit, you know. But you already know what it is with some of those places. Again, get your money right. Get your credit right. Do not send it to an individual to go shotgun your shit. Do not give it to an individual or pay an individual to go find a bank for you. Do the research. Do the research. Shit, I give the bank for free. A couple of banks for free. Make sure your credit score is good, though. Your debt to income ratio is good. You know? and your credit's been utilization is 10% below. You know, that's what you do. You be ready. Make sure you got the right place to lease on to. You know, be ready for that. Or if you got your own authority, make sure all that's good. But don't pay nobody. Don't pay none of these motherfuckers that's advertising on the internet, because that's what they doing. They trying to get you to pay them to go find you financing. You can find the financing yourself. You just find a truck and do everything else I said. And if you want one like this or whatever, or whatever the truck is, the brand, just make sure it's about 3 to 4 years or newer. You know, now for the rest of the shit, you know, the older trucks, you know what you're up against. You know? And again, well, now that I'm saying what I'm saying, thinking about it, if you do go out here and pay cash for a truck, like everybody's be saying, and I know what they're saying, usually it's like $20,000 and below, but you can pay cash on any truck. Just understand that formula does not work for most of y'all. And so far, everybody that I've seen that say this stuff, it doesn't work. Hold on for a minute. All right, we back. Well, yeah, you know, guys be out there paying. Like my cousin from the other side of North Carolina, I ain't making fun of him. This is just in general. You know, the list goes on. Y'all paying for these trucks, and y'all spending damn near more than what you paid for the truck. I'm trying to tell you. I wish I had the video on how to buy a $14,000 truck and not pay a freaking dime for it. But, you know, all I can do is just tell you the story. Maybe I can find some documents somewhere. I don't know. But, yeah, man. That's all you gotta do, man. Do not pay anybody to finance no truck for you whatsoever. Because here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna pay them. They're gonna go find some bank or whatever. Then that other place, they're going through another person to do the shit. And then there's gonna be some old other fees and dock fees. Those are the fees you're supposed to be paying right there. So I'm telling you right now, you heard it here first. Don't listen to these fools, man. Yeah, it's muddy out here, so my truck is a little dirty, a little filthy. With that said, we out.